In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money using MoneyGram's online platform. Whether you're new to MoneyGram or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step with ease and clarity so you can send money with confidence. To begin, navigate to MoneyGram.com. If you aren't logged in yet, take this time to sign into your account using your established credentials. It's important to ensure your login information is secure, so I recommend using a strong, unique password and never sharing it with anyone. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home page. Look for the Send Money option, which is typically highlighted on the site's main menu. Clicking this option will guide you to the page where you can start your money transfer journey. At this point, you should enter the recipient's information and the amount you plan to send. Start by filling in the recipient's name, ensuring it matches exactly as it appears on their identification. This accuracy is crucial for seamless transfer and collection. After providing the name, input the recipient's location. Be sure to choose the correct country and city where the recipient will collect the funds. Next, enter the amount you'll send while being mindful of the currency you're working with, as it impacts the total cost. With these details set, it's time to select your payment method. MoneyGram usually offers a few options, such as bank transfers or credit and debit cards. Choose the method that suits your needs best and offers the most convenience and cost effectiveness. Keep in mind that some payment methods might also influence the speed of the transfer, so if timing is of the essence, select the quickest available option. After picking your payment method, you'll proceed to the review page. This step is crucial as it compiles all the information you've entered, giving you the chance to verify each detail before finalizing the transaction. Carefully double-check the recipient's name, location, and the amount to ensure everything is accurate. Also, take a moment to review the fees associated with your transfer for transparency and to dodge any unexpected costs. Once you've confirmed all the details are correct and you're confident with the information you've provided, go ahead and confirm the transfer. You should receive a confirmation message or email summarizing the transaction details. This confirmation will include a reference number, which is essential for you and the recipient to track the transfer. Be sure to note this number and keep it accessible. And that's it. You've successfully sent money using MoneyGram's online platform. It's a straightforward process, and with these steps you can efficiently send funds worldwide. Always ensure your transactions are secure and regularly monitor your accounts for extra reassurance. Thank you for joining us and happy sending.